If you're seeing a Monday.com error that looks like a Cloudflare blocked message or a cookies issue, don't worry. This is usually something you can fix in a few quick steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest way to get Monday.com loading again, and I'll also show you the most common things that cause this problem in the first place. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's start with the fastest solution. Refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple reload is enough to clear it. Click the refresh button in your browser and see if Monday.com loads normally. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next step. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you may be using. Cloudflare can sometimes block traffic that looks unusual, and VPNs are one of the most common reasons for that. Turn off your VPN completely, then refresh Monday.com again. If you're using a proxy, disable that too. Once the connection is direct, the site may load without the block message. If you're still having trouble, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Ad blockers and privacy tools can interfere with cookies or page scripts, which can cause Monday.com to fail to load properly. In your browser, click the three dots in the corner, go to Extensions, then choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any ad blockers, cookie blockers, script blockers, or other suspicious extensions one by one. After disabling them, refresh the page and test Monday.com again. If the site opens after turning off an extension, you found the cause. You can leave that extension disabled for Monday.com or whitelist the site so it doesn't block it again in the future. If the issue still remains, try opening Monday.com in an incognito or private window, since that can help confirm whether the problem is caused by cookies, extensions, or cached browser data. You can also clear your browser cookies and cache for Monday.com if needed, because corrupted cookies can sometimes trigger access errors. But in most cases, the three steps in this video, refresh the page, turn off VPN or proxy, and disable browser extensions, solve the problem quickly. Once Monday.com loads correctly again, you should be back in without the Cloudflare block or cookies error. If this walkthrough saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.